The National Electrical Code, or NEC, dictates that the end of a recreational vehicle shore power cord must be a molded type. This means the plug is permanently affixed to the cord. A screw-together replacement end is not compliant with the NEC for this specific application. The NEC is the standard that governs electrical installations, ensuring safety and proper functionality. Specifically, with recreational vehicles, the NEC mandates the use of molded cords for shore power connections. A molded cord provides a secure and robust connection, minimizing the risk of loose wires, arcing, and potential electrical hazards that could arise from using a screw-together type replacement end. These replacement ends, while seemingly convenient, do not offer the same level of reliability and safety as a molded connection, which is why they are not permitted for RV shore power cords. The code also stipulates that the shore power cord must be RV rated and appropriately sized. Firstly, being RV rated means the cord is designed and tested to withstand the environmental conditions and electrical demands specific to recreational vehicles. This includes resistance to moisture, sunlight, abrasion, and temperature variations, which are commonly encountered in RV applications. Secondly, the cord must be sized correctly to handle the amperage draw of the RV. The amperage rating of the cord must be equal to or greater than the maximum current that the RV is expected to draw. This ensures that the cord does not overheat or become a fire hazard under normal operating conditions. To determine the appropriate cord size, you need to consider the RV electrical load, which includes all appliances, lights, and other electrical devices that may be operating simultaneously. Consult the RV manufacturer specifications or a qualified electrician to determine the correct amperage rating for the shore power cord. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect advancements in technology, changes in industry practices, and lessons learned from past electrical incidents. The most recent edition of the NEC is the 2020 version. The requirements for RV shore power cords are detailed in Section 551 of the 2020 NEC. This section covers various aspects of RV electrical systems, including wiring methods, grounding, overcurrent protection, and shore power connections. It is essential to consult Section 551 to ensure that your RV electrical system complies with all applicable code requirements. Ignoring these requirements can have serious consequences, including electrical shock, fire, and property damage. Furthermore, compliance with the NEC is often a requirement for insurance coverage and campground access. Many campgrounds require RV to have a current electrical safety inspection, which includes verification that the shore power cord meets NEC standards. Using a non-compliant shore power cord could result in denial of access to the campground or even legal liability in the event of an electrical incident. Therefore, it is crucial to adhere to the NEC requirements for RV shore power cords and to use only approved and properly sized molded cords. If your RV shore power cord is damaged or needs replacement, consult a qualified electrician to ensure that the new cord meets all applicable code requirements. Do not attempt to repair or replace the cord yourself unless you have the necessary electrical knowledge and experience. Incorrect wiring or improper installation can create serious safety hazards. Firstly, before working on any electrical system, always disconnect the power source to prevent electrical shock. Secondly, use appropriate personal protective equipment such as insulated gloves and safety glasses. Thirdly, follow all manufacturer instructions and local electrical codes. The NEC serves as the cornerstone for electrical safety, establishing standards to safeguard people and property from electrical hazards. Its comprehensive guidelines encompass a wide range of electrical installations, from residential wiring to industrial power systems, including specific provisions for recreational vehicles. These provisions aim to address the unique challenges and potential risks associated with RV electrical systems, such as the mobile nature of the vehicle's exposure to varying environmental conditions and the potential for improper connections to shore power sources. By adhering to the NEC requirements for RV shore power cords, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical accidents and ensure the safety of yourself and others. This includes using only approved and properly sized molded cords, ensuring that the cord is in good condition and free from damage, and regularly inspecting the cord for signs of wear and tear. If you notice any problems with your RV shore power cord, such as frayed insulation, exposed wires, or loose connections, have it repaired or replaced immediately by a qualified electrician. Never attempt to use a damaged or non-compliant shore power cord, as this could create a serious safety hazard. In addition to the NEC requirements for shore power cords, there are also other electrical safety considerations to keep in mind when operating an RV. Firstly, always use a properly grounded electrical outlet when connecting to shore power. Secondly, never overload the electrical circuits in your RV. Thirdly, be aware of the potential for electrical shock when using electrical appliances near water. Fourthly, regularly inspect your RV electrical system for any signs of damage or wear. Fifthly, if you are not comfortable working on electrical systems yourself, consult a qualified electrician. By following these safety precautions and adhering to the NEC requirements, you can ensure that your RV electrical system is safe and reliable. This will allow you to enjoy your RV adventures with peace of mind, knowing that you have taken the necessary steps to protect yourself and your loved ones from electrical hazards. Remember that electrical safety is a shared responsibility, and it is up to all RV owners and operators to ensure that their electrical systems are properly maintained and operated in accordance with applicable codes and standards. The use of molded shore power cords for RV is not merely a suggestion, but a code requirement enforced to protect individuals and property. The integrity of the molded connection, its resistance to environmental factors, and its guarantee of proper amperage capacity are critical factors in preventing electrical mishaps. Always prioritize safety by using the correct type of cord and ensuring it is in good condition, making sure that camping and travel experiences remain enjoyable and safe. Furthermore, consider that the landscape of electrical codes and standards is ever evolving. Keeping current with the latest revisions of the NEC and any local regulations is essential for maintaining the safety and compliance of your RV electrical system. This proactive approach can save time, money, and, most importantly, prevent potentially dangerous situations. Ensure that any modifications or repairs to your RV electrical system are performed by qualified professionals who are familiar with the latest codes and best practices. Regular inspections by certified electricians can also help identify potential issues before they escalate into serious problems. These preventative measures are invaluable in maintaining the long-term safety and reliability of your RV electrical system, allowing you to focus on enjoying your travels and adventures with confidence and peace of mind. Lastly, remember that electrical safety is not just about compliance with codes and regulations, it's about adopting a mindset of vigilance and responsibility. Being aware of potential hazards, taking precautions to mitigate risks, and seeking professional help when needed are all essential components of a comprehensive electrical safety strategy. By embracing this approach, you can create a safe and enjoyable environment for yourself, your family, and your fellow RV enthusiasts.